So we're watching Colombiano or something. Joshua and I. Crazy good movie. Colombiano Female Assassin. It's 9:30. I want to go to bed. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. And you watched the video. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm ready to go to bed. But the opportunity to watch a movie with my son, priceless. So I'm going to try to stay up at least another 15 minutes or so, but I'm going to bed before 10. Welcome to being a middle-aged man.